Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about CloudFormation. CloudFormation is an amazing service. It is widely used in the industry and it is used for deploying your infrastructure as a code. Before we go into the details, if you have still not subscribed to the channel, then please do the same. I've already created multiple projects on multiple videos on real world AWS projects and will be creating more such videos. Now, CloudFormation is used for deploying your infrastructure. So, what exactly is the infrastructure? Infrastructure is anything which is required for running your application. It can be your servers, which are EC2 machines in AWS. It can be a database. It can be a load balancer or a combination of all of these resources working together so that your application can run. Now you can manually create all of these resources or you can use automation tools. There are multiple tools available in the market like Ansible, Terraform, or you can also use CloudFormation. CloudFormation is created by AWS for AWS. The main benefit that you get with CloudFormation is it automates the infrastructure creation process. Also, if you want to replicate these resources in another region for disaster recovery processes, then you can easily do this kind of replication. Also, if you want to save cost by creating the infrastructure for a particular scenario, test that scenario or use it and then delete the infrastructure. And you can replicate these steps again and again by using the CloudFormation templates. So for our project purpose, we are going to take an example where we will be using CloudFormation to create a VPC. Then we will create public and private subnets. In those subnets, we are going to create EC2 instances. In front of the EC2 instances, we will create a load balancer and we will verify that load balancing is actually working. We are going to use CloudFormation templates using which we can deploy these resources. So the main part of CloudFormation is template. In a template, you can specify what all resources should be automatically created. These templates can be created in a JSON file or a YAML file. Mostly a YAML file is used. Here you can specify the resources that you want. So let's say you want a VPC, then you can just specify it in a code format and this VPC will be created. You can do multiple things. You can create subnets. Then if you scroll down, then we will see that we can easily create instances. So using these set of commands, we can create a EC2 instance and we can run this bootstrap script. So we will follow this particular CloudFormation template and use it for deploying our entire application. We are going to do a hands-on demo. It will be pretty quick. If you are in the free tier, then there will be no cost. I have logged on to my AWS account and in the search bar you can type CloudFormation and come to the screen. We will create a new stack and the most important thing that you need to specify is the CloudFormation template. The CloudFormation template is already present on my local machine, so we are going to upload it. I will share the link of this template in the description section of the video. This template gets uploaded to a S3 bucket. We will do next. We can specify a name to this template. We will say test application and you need to specify some input parameters. The only thing that we need as of now is a key pair file for the EC2 instance. I will select and proceed. You don't have to make any other changes. Go ahead and deploy this, submit this particular template. Now you will see on your left hand side that there is a stack being created, a stack of resources. And if you go into the event section and refresh this, then you will see that the events for resources getting created. PPC creation is in process, internet gateway. And if you keep refreshing it, then you will see more of these resources getting created. So I waited for a couple of minutes for the stack to be created. Now I will go to the resources tab and it will show you all the resources which were created as part of this template. So a load balancer got created along with couple of EC2 instances and a VPC is also created. Now we will connect to our application load balancer, click on this link and we will copy the DNS name of the load balancer. So here is the DNS name. Let's copy it and let's try to connect to this load balancer from our Chrome tab. So you will see that there is a response from the first EC2 instance. If you do a refresh, then the response was returned by the second EC2 instance. And if we keep refreshing this page, then you will see that EC2 is the load balancer is distributing the load to both of these EC2 instances, 1A and 1B. This will keep continuing. So, but we have a fully functioning application with all of the required resources. So this is all good. Now let's look at the other side of the things. Let's say your application testing is done or whatever you want to do has been achieved and I want to delete these resources. Now normally you are going to manually delete these resources. But when you use CloudFormation, then if you just delete this stack, then it is going to delete all of the resources which were created by this template. Okay. So it will take care of deleting your load balancer, EC2 instances, your VPC, and what all was created by this template. So I think that's all from this video perspective. Thanks for watching and have a good day.